I want the perspective. Perspective. No, you are alone.
Oh.
Just let me know.
Okay. So, where is it? I'm sure you have that line.
Like an A.
So you have a diagonal here, you have a diagonal here. You give us an A. Okay? Or V. Okay, like that. So that when you are performing, you can be seen. Okay? So that is how it is going to be. You can.
Giving up should never be something you decide to do. Wipe the tears from your cheek. God knows what you're going through, so don't surrender to a war. Put your faith in what will be. Every day is a brand new start. Yeah.
Get the opportunity. I don't know what happened. You realize that certain weird things happen. And because most of the things that we do are practically based, sometimes we forget our spirituality. So because of that, I decided, and I had some few friends that who were also interested in training for performing arts students. And then when I got the idea to create the dance company, got I should use the same title, Performing Arts Intercessors, as the dance company. And so it is a Christian base.
I go to Elon University, and I'm personally not a dancer, so this was a really great experience for me to get out of my comfort zone. I also have never learned anything about African dance prior. It was a really great experience. She was a wonderful professor, and I had lots of fun.
And to know that some of them are not dancers, I was very impressed. They practice very, very hard, and they have the best teachers.
Freeing and like amazing experience, being able to move our bodies in ways that we haven't before. So this is such a blessing. Thank you so much, Auntie, and this team. Thank you to everybody, the students. We love all of you. Thank you so much.
University. And my name is Andrea, and I'm also from Elon University. This has been an amazing experience, and one thing I've learned is patience, having patience with myself, especially with dance. One thing I learned that is if you're gonna do something wrong, do it confidently. Thank you. Thank you. It's been an amazing experience. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.